Welcome to Fat Pussy Performance 4.0, baby!
I cannot lose and I cannot fail. I am the one, I'm a real one for real. Live every day, nigga kill. Nigga, I'm the last, if you know, then you will. Digging deep up, nigga chill with the steel. None of these big bad niggas ain't real. If they get caught, go to jail, they gon' tell. If I get caught, don't tell like a bill. Don't run and tell that I'm serving for skill. You know it's the real when you know how I smell. I'm chicken trap, nigga, run through the mail. Try to get checked by a nigga that's fail. Niggas talking labor deal, mixtape, selling bricks to pay the bill. Smoking still on paper, still fuck the P.O. bitch, I'ma take the bill. Fuck the paper, fuck you haters, fuck you niggas, I'm all out of favor. You niggas know for telling lies and favors. I'm up and down and shining blind and later. I'm in the boss and down and find the table. Believe child nigga in my favor. You don't watch a nigga like cable. I'm trying to build a mansion, find acres. Living this shit like I wanna live. 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 I'ma put a million mama crib. I'ma put a million mama crib. Living this shit like I wanna live. 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 I'ma put a million mama crib. I'ma put a million mama crib. Living this shit like I wanna live. Living this shit like I wanna live.
Alright y'all, what's up? Welcome to Fitzgerald 4.0. We're about to leave the house, just got off work a couple hours ago, had to come home, pack this stuff, get everything ready. We're about to take our new dog, which we've had for like 2 days. We got a French Bulldog, we're about to take him on the trip. I think it's going to be a pretty good show. Seems like a bunch of people are coming out of this one. I am super excited, but if you guys are excited for 4.0, of course, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I guess we'll hit the road and we'll see y'all in the morning. Alright y'all, it is now the next morning. We are about to leave. It's around 10 o'clock. I wanted to get up a little bit earlier, but I told Raven we could sleep in, plus we were exhausted. But I guess that's pretty much it. I'll pick you guys up when we get there. We're gonna leave the dog here, wherever he's at. Where are you at? There he is. He's just gonna chill at the hotel, because there's no way we're taking him around all these people. But either way, we're gonna hit the road. I'll pick you guys up when we get there. We start walking the gate. We'll get some cool stuff, and I guess watch some rowdy burnouts.
Burnout 101.
drive shaft is out. Fucking hit turbo. Tire's gonna blow up and kill you, dude. It's gonna blow up and it's just gonna hit you in the back of the head.
Nah, he got it under control. He got them cheeky lights.
You bringing the cat eye out here or what?
Did you not just see what happened to the other cat eye?
That tire went so quick. Holy shit.
Give it up for Boss Man!
These fucking brakes are on fire. Oh, everything's on fire. Holy shit. Holy shit. What are you saying? Is that sign language? What is that? What the fuck? Alright, we have made it back to the hotel. I have the worst possible headache that I could have gotten. Don't know why I have such a bad headache. This is probably, if not the worst headache of my life, like at least top 3 worst headaches I've ever had in my life, and I'm not sure why. I didn't really get as much as I wanted to today. There wasn't really a lot of good burnouts in the pit. But tomorrow we got the burnout contest, so hopefully that goes well. But I'm gonna get some sleep, try to get rid of this headache, wake up in the morning early, and we'll pick you guys up when we get back to the show. wow.
dropping that thing. I'm glad we are back here. I wouldn't want to be up that close. He's driving.
What the hell? Yo! Hey, that truck might blow up.
Motherfucker! Show me that dick! Show me that fucking dick!
10:58 a.m.
Had too many bitches on.
God. Alright, we're back at the hotel. I have shit all over my face. My hair feels like I have 10 tons of hairspray in it, but it's just rubber and dust and everything in between. I bought these shoes not even a month ago at Slammed Enough, and holy shit, dude. These things are cooked. I'm gonna have to order a new pair. But we left early. Usually we would stay a little bit longer, but we got so many crazy ass things happen. We got so much footage. That's gonna be the end of it. I think 4.0 was very good. Everything went very smooth. I think there was less people there, and that kind of cleared up the crowd a little bit. The roads were a lot nicer. The dude did get hit by the truck. That was kind of, you know, that was kind of iffy at the end of the night. That kind of happened. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed 4.0. I'm definitely going to be excited for next year if he decides to continue with, you know, everything that happened with the guy being hit. I don't know how much of an issue that's going to become. If you guys liked the video, of course, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment what you guys thought of 4.0, if you were there, if you were out there. It was a crazy year. Last night it was kind of slow, but tonight it definitely caught up. But yeah, I'm gonna quit yapping, let y'all guys go on and do what you gotta do, and I'm gonna go take a shower because I stink, like I said. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Appreciate y'all watching.
I cannot lose and I cannot fail. I am the one, I'm a real one for real. Live every day, every day.
I stink very, very badly. I smell like, ugh.